We are pleased to show you the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.